New tonight, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says stress during a pandemic can contribute to using medications, illegal drugs, or a relapse after remission. Experts are concerned the holiday will only add to that. And that's because the CDC is advising against people traveling and gathering for Thanksgiving, which could leave some people alone and vulnerable. Ron Burke has more on the story.
Isolation is one of the core symptoms when it comes to addiction, when it comes to depression.
And because of that, a holiday season in the midst of a pandemic is an especially vulnerable time for people in drug abuse recovery. Mark Sigmund is a therapist with Retreat Behavioral Health, and he's worried about what he's seeing in patients.
We've seen an increase in relapse on substances. We've seen an increase in depression and anxiety.
Sigmund says many recovery programs have moved to online, and the CDC's recent warning against gathering for Thanksgiving could leave people who desperately need family support all alone.
They're at home and they just start drinking more. I mean, they just start leaning on alcohol. And so I think we're going to see, a lot of ugliness over the next couple years.
In early recovery, I always say, don't be alone on the holidays.
Edwin Novak has been clean for 6.5 years. He did not relapse even while missing his family as they held big holiday gatherings without him in Pennsylvania.
It was tough seeing pictures on Facebook, on social media of my entire family, nieces, nephews, uncles, brothers, sisters, cousins, all together, and I'm down here.
And therapist Mark Sigmund says reaching out for help is not limited to those in recovery. Anyone who's going through difficult times should follow the same advice.
A lot of people are struggling with self-destructive thoughts. And so you really want to keep your family, keep your friends as close as you can.
Retreat will host a live virtual panel discussion to help people get through this unusual holiday season. It is free and open to the public. You can watch the webinar by going to the Retreat Behavioral Health Facebook page tonight, beginning at 7:30. Ron Burke, WPBF 25 News.
Ron, thank you.